Hello, everyone. Very good evening to all of you. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe at home, right? So, can you just tell me first thing that am I audible properly in the chat box, and are you guys able to hear me, my screen? Am I? Anyone, please? Uh, Okay. Thank you. So, we keep on giving the webinars, right? So, before starting today's webinar, I'll be very quick about the company's intro and myself. This side, Astha, I'm the speaker of today's webinar. So, I represent the name is Tuty Hub Solutions Private Limited, and this is the company where we work on a platform with the name Tuty Hub. You can visit www.tutyhub.com, where we believes on on three pillars, that is learning, working, and earning. And we believe in three services, that is hiring and placement, business development, and lead generation, branding, and marketing. So before giving a crux about the company, let me give an intro about myself, Astha Woodton. I am the speakers of today's agenda, and the agenda which I have chosen today is what kind of an early signs of bad interviews, right? And how we can what kind of a solutions we can have to fix them up, so that and how we can help you guys out, right? If you can see, there are a lot of people, right? It could be the freshers, it could be the person who is already into their career growing phases, but somehow when they look for more new opportunities into the market, there are a couple of things which they feel they are lacking on that areas, right? And that could be the sign of those things which tell them that it when they go for the interview, that it is not the right interview which is going on. And these are the symbols or the signs which they has to look for the things, right? That how these things or signs can be they don't have to go further for these signs, right? How to improvise on these signs actually. So that is the today's topic that I have chosen, because in my career being into the HR and talent acquisition team, I realized that when we take the interviews, what kind of a problem the students face, or the one who is giving the interviews, right? And what how I myself also rejecting it. So I also giving those kind of I would say signs, symbols, any kind of indications actually, that this interview is going on, but probably you are not the right candidate for the position which we are hiring, right? Or this is not the actual position that we look for, this you actually. So after seeing and realizing these things, I have jotted down couple of signs that people faces while giving the interviews, and that could be the bad signs of the interviews. So what exactly these signs are all about, and how Tuty Hub helps them in those signs, right? So this is actually the crux of today's webinar. So I'll be very quick in starting the presentation today, so it's easy for you to understand, so that it will be to understand how to prepare the interviews, how to give the interviews, and how what kind of a solutions we have for you. So just be with me till the end of the webinar and listen everything carefully, so it would be easy for you, and for your career boosting, for getting good job into the market, and actually getting the right organization and actually the right positions, right? Ultimately our goal is what? Learning, working, and earning. So at the end we have these three pillars, and at the end, if we give you something, we believe in these kind of a learnings it will give you, definitely you will be having a good job into the market where you work, and then you earn the things. So let's start today's presentation. I'll be sharing a screen today with you. I hope you can see my screens now. I hope you can see my screens, right? So, of course, this is always my first slide. That's Tuty Hub, because I always believe before starting or any kind of a webinar or any kind of a conversation with the third person, I would recommend to represent the company, what exactly the company is all about and what kind of solutions we are offering, right? So that it would be easy for you to get those solutions, and what kind of a problems you'll be facing. So you always just try to drop us an email what exactly the problems you'll be facing it. We will definitely happy to give you more solutions for the same also. So let's start. I mean, if you're seeing my first slide, this is Qt Hub, right? This is the name of the platform where I represent, right? And on the right hand side, if you can see, it's a logo, right? A complete logo of Qt Hub, that is a gateway of opportunities. Trust me, number of opportunities our team is working hard to give you. And because I already told you in every webinar, I always say the same thing, that we have three pillars: learning, working, and earning. And that's what the complete logo says itself, a gateway of opportunities, right? So you just to visit the system, have a look onto it, what kind of opportunities we are offering for you guys, right? Now, apart from these three pillars, we are, though I have not mentioned the entities which we have already covered into the system, I'll be quick in that we are covering corporates, anyone who are into mid-size individuals, business, big companies, corporates, anyone. So the major is corporates, right? The second entity which we are covering in this system is anybody who is related with any kind of educational institutions, right? Anybody who is having any kind of a campuses, anyone into the colleges, right? So our second entity is education institutes, campuses, right? The first is corporate, second is campuses. The third is scholar. If I would say scholar, right? Scholar means anyone who is any professional, right? Maybe you are a fresher, you are into any profession, you are having 3 year experience, you are having 30 years experience, right? But anybody who is into any kind of a profession, we are having that kind of a system for you, so that it will be helpful for you to get on again on these three pillars: learning, working, and earning. So as of now, we are targeting majorly 5 to 6 entities. You can just be onto the system to look onto those entities, that how these entities would be helpful for you, whether it is corporates, whether it is campuses, whether it's affiliates, whether it is consultants, whether it is scholars, right? So what exactly these entities will help you guys, that the corporates look for more, majorly for the placements, hirings, right? So we have our first service, that is hiring and placement service, right? On the other hand, we have a second entity, that is scholar, means anybody who is into any profession. Now you think yourself, if we have corporates, we have scholars, right? Both have the requirements. Corporates look for the jobs, scholars look corporates looking to hire a person, and scholar looks for the job, right? Now if we have tied up with the corporates, definitely we would be having a number of opportunities for you, right? Where you can just apply, you can get the interview done by the corporates, and you can get the placements, right? So at the end, what happens, you are working and you are earning the things, correct? So this is how our complete system says that we have a gateway of opportunities for everyone. Now if I talk about the second service, that is business development and technology solutions, right? In this service, what we are covering all the IT solutions, right? You might be a corporate, but you are not a, you are not into a profession, or you're having expertise in manufacturing or in production, but you're not having an expertise in IT solutions, right? So there are corporates who actually look for IT solutions to make their system, to make their website development, to make their mobile applications. So we have a second service that is very much good for the corporates. So anybody, I mean, it's not only for corporates, anyone who look for the IT solutions, we have that kind of a service as well. Now let's move on the third service, that is branding, marketing, and lead generation service, right? Now what we are doing in this service, we believe in a simple tagline we have, that is 3x to 5x or 10x of the business growth, right? We have the corporates, we provide them a businesses needs, and we brand them into the market so that it's easy for them to get more and more business, right? We have the solutions to help them actually to build them as a brand. And if I would say, these days in COVID-19, everyone is going just for their branding and marketing, right? So this is our third service now, that we believe in three pillars and we have three services. This is a complete duty of structure, simplifies it. Just believe on these three things, right? So this is the first slide. Now let's, if I can move to the second slide, and I would say the topic of today's one, that is 17 signs your interview is going badly. So, have you ever given any kind of a thought that you were going for the interview, and there are a lot of people, sitting outside, or there are a lot of things, going online? I mean, these days interviews are always going online, right? But afterwards it could be offline again, right? Or you have must have an experience in giving the interviews offline earlier also. Have you realized that why that job was not into your hand and somebody else has taken that kind of a job? Or what kind of improvements you are looking for? Have you ever given a thought on this one? I mean, you could be a fresher, you could be somebody into a good profession, but definitely the post is one and a lot of people. So how to crack the things, that is most important, right? So I try to figure it out, 17 signs, which when I used to take the interviews, I also behave in that way somehow, so that it's easy for the person to realize that this is not the right job, or I am not the one who is going to select in this interview. So I'm just be quick in this slide, that what could be the first sign. The first sign that hiring manager does not maintain eye contact, right? You are giving the interview, but the hiring manager does not give an eye contact, right? Because there could be the reason. I'll come up with those things as well. What could be the reason, right? They display negative body language, right? They seem distracted. You might be saying something, but they are not interested. Why? What is the reason behind it? Because you might be not giving the right answers, right? They don't smile ever. Why? Have you ever given a thought? The person or the hiring manager who's giving the interviews, taking the interviews, but he or she is not smiling. Why? What is the reason behind it, right? They cut the interview short. Though you wanted to explain your answers, but they cut the interview short. What is the reason behind it? They go on the offensive. They do not want to listen your things, whatever you were saying. So these are 5 to 6 things. Let's discuss on these parts. What do you think? Like, I mean, see, this is the problem that people usually faces in the interview. But have you thought that why the hiring managers reacted in this way? Because at the end, what happens if the hiring manager does not making the eye contact? Because you might be the first, or I would say, might be the culprit in that case, that you do not know how to maintain the eye contact with a person, or you do not have the right body language. Actually, they display negative body language because you are also the one, when you are sitting in front of somebody and you do not behave, or you do not able to present yourself in front of hiring managers. Then how can you think that hiring managers react in a good way? So whatever you will be showing, they'll be giving or showing the same signs actually. So these are 5 to 6 signs as of now. Let's move on further. They pause often as they try to think the next question. You might have given the interviews, right? But have you given a thought that what exactly is the problem, that when you revert to some kind of answers, but the hiring managers is taking a time? What is the reason behind it? Either they are not able to understand what you are saying, right? Or you are saying which they do not want to listen, right? So there could be a problem, and that is the reason they try to figure it out. They take a pause. What could be the next question that might be, you can answer that one, which is the hiring manager is going to ask, and then he or she can discuss further with you for the further interviews. So this is also one of the bad sign, right? Now they don't listen carefully to your answers or ask pertinent follow-up questions. So what is the reason behind it for this one? They don't listen carefully to your answers. Why? because you might be giving those answers which is not relevant, right? Which is not relevant. So how, I mean, it could be the reason that you are not good in communication, so you are not able to express those things, right? If you are not able to express those things, you are not able to give the right answers, then do you think yourself that you would be interested in taking the interviews? No. Then how can you think that the hiring manager can listen your answers very carefully and take the interviews further? This is one of the bad sign, right? The interview mentions there are other qualified candidates in the running, right? We used to do this thing as well, and there are other people also. So why this kind of a question comes up? Like, it seems they are reading your resume for the first time, right? It happens, right? Used to say that there are other candidates, but why it's coming up? Why the hiring manager is saying this? Because at the end he or she is not liking you, or is not personally, the context is he is not liking you as per the job requirement, the person he looks for. So that is one of the bad sign. But what is the reason behind it? It could be your knowledge, it could be your skill assessment, it could be your resume was not up to the mark, it could be your body language, it could be your communication. There are multiple reasons actually, right? So these are the signs when you feel that your interview is going badly. Definitely it's not up to the mark. And when you feel that these are the signs, you'll get to know that this is not the right job for me, or this job has not been offered to me, right? So let's see the further. There is little discussion or enthusiasm about your skills, accomplishment, or goals. Why? What is the reason behind it? That you might not able to express your things, right? They keep on asking, he- but you are not giving them the answers in a very relevant way, right? Try to show your positive, your strength, as well as your weakness also. But in what way actually? What could be the actual way to express the things? So this is also one of the, a symbol, an indication that you might not getting into the job or into the right company. They highlight the negative aspects of the job, right? You are not able to express the things, you are not good in communication, then definitely what they'll do, they'll put you some kind of a negative aspects. Okay, let's start on the negative discussion. So do you think so that this could be the right way? You can turn these things into the right way, but how? But how actually? So I will definitely let you know how we can help you out in this. But how? Have just think once, right? This is the question. Somebody is taking in a negative aspects, but how these things come up in a positive way, right? How you can mold it actually. So that is one of the things. You get the limp handshake and you are asked to follow up with the assistant. So, have you realized that there are a lot of hiring managers that when you enter into the room, they used to do a handshake, which is very firm, right? A very soft, right? But when you are done with the interview and when you leave that room after the interview, the handshake was not firm; it was just a cold one. It's very limp, right? So you get a sign that this is not the good interview. This is one of the indication that the interview which I have done is not up to the mark, right? So, and once he's done with these kind of handshake and simply saying that you just need to follow with the assistant, or we'll get back to you, these kind of answers you'll be receiving. So these are the 17 signs which I realized that it means that interview is not up to the mark, or you are not going to select in this interview, or you have not given the right interview. Now what next? How to improve it, right? The problems are there, but then definitely we have to come out and figure out with some kind of a solutions, right? So after meeting with lot of candidates and seeing this is giving these kind of indications, we discussed with the other HRs also, and we realized that some kind of a solution is required for the same, right? So that it's easy for the people whenever they go for the next interview, or whenever they come for the next time, right, in the same company, at least things should not be repeated. So what kind of a solutions you look for? How TUTM helps you in that case? So we have figured out three solutions in the best way. Have a look onto it. Let me show the next slide. The solution which we or as a system we figure it out, that job interview need to be prepared, right? You have given the interviews, you know that things were not up to the mark. Now what job interview need to be prepared, right? What exactly you look for when you have to go for the job interview? The first thing you look for the communication skills, right? Your soft skills are really required whenever you give go for the any kind of an interview and meet the hiring managers. Your communication is another important part, right? It's very much required. How to speak, how to write, how to present yourself, your body language, your presentation is again one of the important factor, so that the hiring manager would show some kind of a good eye contact to you. He or she would ask you the positive questions, right? He or she would show interest whatever you are saying, right? So how you have to prepare it? You need soft skills, you need communication, you need presentation, the body language should be good, you need how to speak, how to express the things, right? You need how to behave as into the in front of somebody else, how to express the things so that the other person should not be offensive, or how to make an good eye contact, right? And how to sit in front of others, and how to behave, I would say, and how to convert your negative weaknesses into strength and positive. So here comes Duty Hub, that we have that kind of a solution ready with us. We have a team who can help you out, that these are the things, these are the soft skills that you have to prepare. We have some everything ready on, we have everything at one place. We have a team, we have a complete training sessions where we give the soft skills training, where we tell how to communicate with the other people, where we tell how to present yourself in front of others, where we tell you how what kind of solutions, everything. I'm saying that we have the complete things, and we are here to help you how to prepare for the interviews at the end, right? That is the first thing. So we are covering everything. We are here to give you an online interactive sessions, we are here to help you in the mock interviews, so that would be easy for you, so that you do not feel any kind of a bad signs by giving an interview. Now the next bad sign was a resume building, right? I explained earlier also, they feel like that they're seeing your resume first time, right? How it's possible that your resume would be in that way, that if the hiring manager can see the resume, it just simply clicks in the mind of that people, isn't it? If you feel any kind of an image is good, if you feel any kind of movies are good, you usually remember. You want your resume should be in that way only, right? Because hiring managers see a lot of resumes on a regular basis. If you do have a problem, we have a solution for that, right? We have a complete team who is good in writing the resumes. Whatever resume you look for, either you look for a visual kind of resume, you look for any kind of resume writing service, we have a specialized or professional team in the same. So this is one of the best solution before. And resume is one of the first impression before going to any kind of interview. So this is one of the most important factor, I would say, to appear in the interview. That is the first impression, your first presentation actually, right? Your resume. And how to write the resumes, how to express your talent in the resume is very challenging. But if we have a team who is having hands-on experience in writing the resumes, then your task is very easy, isn't it? You do not have to go for any kind of a challenges. We just sorted out all your problems. So this is one of the solutions that we are giving up. We are helping you in resume writing, we are helping you in job interviews, right? Now the third solution is assessment of the skills, right? What the problem of the bad interview is, that you were not able to express your things, right? If there is some kind of a question papers, you were not able to solve the things, right? You have those issues in problem solving skills, you have your issues in psychometric test. But do not worry about it, we have a complete team for the same. We have already a lot of pre-assessment set onto the system of UT Hub, where you can just assess your skills and get ready for the next interview. right? So this is the third solution that has been offered by TUTF. Now, what we are covering in assessment of the skills, we are covering your aptitude, we are covering your logical, we are covering your reasoning, we are covering your psychometric, we are covering your technical skills, right? So if, and apart from that, we have also tied up with the corporates. So if we are giving the preparation for everything, and even you have the options to get your internships, placements, full-time options, or any kind of a project basis work, we have onto the system. So why you do not, why you should worry about it if we are having the solutions. So do not worry about the things. We, if you have given some kind of a bad interviews and you really wanted to prepare yourself, then we have a solutions at one place. Whether it's job interview need to be prepared, whether you look for resume writing, whether you look for any kind of a pre-assessment. So it's a complete end-to-end solutions of the HR services that we have onto the system, right? Let's this is a next slide. I mean, I already explained the job interview need to be prepared. So a quick one, that what exactly we are giving in this job interview is that we are giving an online interactive sessions with the HR, right? We are giving a mock interviews. You will explain you how to handle the difficult questions with the solutions, and how to present yourself in front of hiring managers. What could be the communication skills, what could be the body language, how to sit, everything we cater, right? Interactive coaching sessions are there. So do not worry about how to give the interviews, how to prepare the things. Your resume profile analysis and feedbacks are there. Everything has to be taken care by us only, so just don't worry about it. Now I explain you test your skills. I told you earlier as well, we take care of your logical, aptitude, reasoning, technical, psychometric, everything at one place. So it's useful for you to assess your skills at one place, and ultimately what happens is boost up your confidence. And whenever you go for the interview, your confidence is the most important thing. When you have a confidence, you are able to give, show yourself, how to present it, how to be, in eye to eye contact was good, right? So test your skills are an important part. So you can just be with QT and test your skills. Actually, it's pre-assessment, which is sometimes very much important actually. What happens if you test your skills? Apart from confidence, you will also getting an options, or you will also getting an opportunity with the corporates who look for the placements and who are already with us, right? So you are creating an opportunity for yourself itself. So just give this pre-assessment and test your skills also with UTF, right? The third service that we are having is resume building, right? We have professional resume writing, we have visual resumes, we have professional resume building, everything at one place. You can visit on any of the service and grab it, because at the end, resume building is the one which is the first impression in front of others, and definitely it is the one which will be helpful in landing you a good job into the market, right? So this is something a very quick webinar about the bad signs and how TUTF is giving the solutions on improving those signs actually, right? So if you want any kind of a discussion, you can reach us at qthub.com. You can drop an email always at info@qthub. We are at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, right? Any kind of a queries, just write an email. We would be happy to help you out for the same. And stay tuned with more for more webinars. We keep on coming on daily basis and giving you more solutions for your problems. Thank you so much, guys, for attending today's webinar. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and do let us know for any kind of a queries you have. Thank you so much, and have a nice day, wonderful evening, good night, bye bye.